Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You will clear the terminal by writing the ANSI clear sequence directly to stdout. First, make sure you are in the Python prompt or running a script. Then type or place a single statement that writes the escape codes to sys. stdout and flushes immediately so the terminal acts now. This avoids subprocess calls and works in process. Once done, the screen will be cleared and the cursor moved to the top. Proceed to the exact command in the next step. Now run the single-line sequence. Import sys, then write the escape codes. Sys, stdout. Write \u001b2j \u001bh and immediately call sys, stdout. Flush. This sends a clear screen command and repositions the cursor to the top left. You use this because it avoids spawning a separate process, preventing side effects, and making the clear happen synchronously inside. To finish, confirm the terminal is visually cleared and continue your program. If the clear did not occur, the usual cause is lack of ANSI support. On older Windows consoles, enable VT processing or switch to Windows Terminal or PowerShell which understand ANSI. Once fixed, rerun the same sys. stdout, write and flush line. If you cannot enable ANSI, fall back to OS. System, CLS on Windows or OS. System, clear on Unix, but prefer the ANSI stdout method for simplicity and control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.